Hello everyone, welcome to my Karnataka series. Beginning at Jus Trufs Chocolatier's Jakur, Bangalore. This is the cafe with a variety of pastries and chocolates. I was given a chocolate welcome drink. Chendia ma'am, who is the chief chocolatier and I believe the managing partner, escorted me to the top floor. First there was a movie on how cocoa beans is processed to make chocolates. The main attraction for me was the workshop on chocolate making. There is a fee for the workshop. These are the ingredients provided for the chocolate making workshop. In large factories, they have crushers to crush the cocoa beans. No emulsifiers are added here. In regular chocolates, there's a lot of added emulsifiers. Chocolate compound is not as tasty as chocolate calates. Cocoa butter is a good moisturizer and hence is good for the skin. White chocolate is made by combining cocoa butter, milk powder and sugar. Milk chocolate is usually 34, 36 or 38% cocoa. Dark chocolate contains 70 or 80% cocoa. It is high in antioxidants. Tempering real chocolate using a marble slab. Here I'm tempering 250 grams of 60% dark Belgian chocolate. Put the chocolate in a bowl and heat it for 20 seconds in a microwave. Repeat this process 3 to 4 times till the chocolate is completely melted. The temperature should be 42 to 45 degrees centigrade and the chocolate warm to touch. Stir the melted chocolate till it's nice and creamy. Pour 2/3 of the melted chocolate onto a cooled slab, keeping 1/3 in the bowl. Now temper the 2/3 chocolate. Cool the chocolate using the figure-of-8 motion on the slab till the chocolate cools and thickens to 28 degrees centigrade. Add this cool chocolate back to the remaining 1/3 chocolate and you will get working chocolate with a temperature of roughly 31 degrees centigrade. Keep a bit of chocolate on a palette knife to check if it sets naturally in an air-conditioned room or in the fridge. Watch the tempering process where I use a chocolate scraper to draw a figure of 8 through the chocolate. Here I was provided with scoops of pre-made chocolate ganache. At 27 to 28 degrees centigrade, it's tempered. The purpose of tempering chocolate is to pre-crystallize the cocoa butter in it, which is important to make your chocolate ready for processing. During tempering, the cocoa butter in the chocolate takes on a stable crystalline form. This guarantees a perfect finished product with a satin gloss and hard snap. Here's the recipe for the chocolate ganache. Scoop out the chocolate ganache. Make small bite-sized balls by rolling them in your palms. That's the chief chef guiding me. Here I'm using caramelized cashews, almonds, etc. as filling for the ganache. Ganache ball is then dropped into the tempered chocolate. Make sure it's fully covered in chocolate because if exposed, the cream in the ganache will attract fungus. We then use nuts, dried fruits, cocoa powder, sprinkles, etc. to decorate the truffles. When rolling the truffle, do not hold it for too long or else the butter will ooze. Here I should have actually put the cheese inside the ganache. I have put a lot of nuts into the little chocolate left. Now to mix it up well and use a spoon to scoop out the chocolate with nuts and put it on a parchment paper. Chandya ma'am asked me how I was feeling having made the truffles. Considering the fact that I'm a chocoholic, I said I'm feeling pretty proud. All the chocolates I made were put in a box for me to take home. They may not look so attractive, but trust me, they tasted fantastic. Next, I was shown around their kitchen where they make the pastries and cakes. These are chocolates ordered as corporate gifts. Here you have the big grinder in which the cocoa beans are ground to fine paste and stored in big plastic containers. Finally, before leaving, I was treated to some chocolate fondue and sandwiches. Both tasted really good. Here you can see a variety of chocolates, cakes and pastries at Jus Trufs Cafe. If you're a chocoholic, Jus Trufs is a must-visit place. If you wish to experiment with chocolates at home, try using the Belgian chocolate calottes. They contain a little more fat than the chocolate chips. If you enjoyed watching my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.